Here's how to fix creator account can't be private on Instagram. Now, if you're trying to make your account private, but it says you're not able to, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Instagram app and I'll show you what I mean. Let's tap on the profile at the very bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the very top right. Now, you'll be able to see on here the ability to change your account privacy. You can see account privacy. I can tap on it. But if I switch this to a private account and switch to private, it says creator account can't be private. If you want to make your account switch back to a personal account. So the reason why you're getting this message is you've changed over to a professional creator account. And essentially that means you're growing a public following, but you need to have a private or personal account first. To do that, all we need to do is hit the back button here, and you'll be able to see you're going to find for professionals, and under it, you can see creator tools and controls. Just tap on that. Now from here, all we need to do is scroll down and you can see switch account type. Again, we need to switch to a personal account. So tap on switch account type and switch to personal account and hit the switch to personal account. Keep in mind, you will lose a lot of features, including analytics and all that stuff, but just like that, you have been switched. Now, all you need to do is tap the three lines at the top right. And now if we go down to account privacy here, I can turn this on and hit switch to private, and it actually enables it and switches my account to private, and you're good to go. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.